Hey, as a gap year girl, can you relate to this? You're exploring the big world because you know you deserve some time out. Why? You've worked really hard to get where you are, and you did everything right. That's why. You've gone to college, done internships to develop new skills, volunteered to help those in need, and practice healthy habits every day for yourself and the environment. You love, you have compassion, you're an empath, and freedom is your favorite F word. You want to create a lifestyle that supports you to keep having these experiences. But when you get really honest with yourself about how to do this, the fear comes on, your mind goes blank, and you feel overwhelmed by what you don't know. Loved ones don't help the situation either. They keep asking, what are your plans? Where are you going? Why are you doing this? It's hard to admit that you feel lost and have your own doubts about how this is all going to fit together. So gap year girls, we've got you. You want answers, but probably don't know what the real questions are. Take the Intentional Gap Year Workshop. Whether you're out traveling or laying around in your PJs, as long as you have internet, you can be changing your life. But what does that look like? Well, first you meet with your Gap Year Guide, a certified life coach there to help clarify what you want to get from this program. Next, you'll watch 25 videos and use them as directional prompts for the online journaling activities that follow each one. At the halfway point and the end, you'll get to meet one-on-one with your Gap Year Guide and apply what you discover. Together, you'll make sense of your diverse experiences and give them meaning. Embrace your current challenges and learn how to overcome them. Create an action plan with the confidence that you are doing the right thing for you. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in our description box, and for the price of a weekend festival or an Osprey backpack, you can find your answers. So the next time someone asks you, what are you doing with your life? You reply, what I want, with who I want, whenever I want to, and own that. I'll see you inside.